There he is, Bob Chandler, the celebrated Bigfoot. Bob, I have to ask you, as a kid, did you ever get in trouble for playing in the mud?
I always got in trouble for playing in the mud, every week.
Now you tell me this is the original. This is Bigfoot 1.
This is the truck I started with 13 years ago, and it's still running. There's nothing left on it that's original. All the cab, the frame, the axles, everything's been changed once, but it's still the original truck.
You actually have fun doing this, and you said it was a relatively easy ride.
This amazed me. I used the nitrous on it. It's got that 640-inch motor, and it went too good. It did excellent. The only problem I had is on the start line. It was hard trying to get it into the pit, but once in the pit with these walls like they've got, the truck goes straight down the center.
Now with all the trucks you have and all the drivers you have on staff, you really don't drive that much anymore, do you?
No, I haven't driven a truck in probably a year. This is the first time I got in this thing, since last year.
Kind of like riding a bicycle, though, eh?
Oh, yeah, it's the same. I just had to remember where all the switches were, the nitrous switch, the kill switches.
Walk in there, Gordon. And I have to ask you, in the very beginning, there's your hat. We never see Bob without his hat on. There's the hat. Now he looks like Bob Chandler. In the beginning, you really never, ever desired the celebrity status. It was really dropped in your lap.
Yeah, I didn't. What I was after was a promotional piece for my shop. That was the truck. And, to me, the truck's the famous person. I'm not. People want to see the truck. They don't want to see me.
Yeah, but hey, they're not yelling Bigfoot. They're yelling Bob Chandler, and Bob Chandler's waving. That truck can't wave to the fans.
That's true. But the truck puts the show on. That's what I like.
We've got a lot of fans, young and old, over there with pictures waiting to be autographed. We'll turn you loose. Nice ride.
Thank you.